Welcome back to Ice Cream Sundays. My name is Tara, and each week I'll be sharing a different homemade ice cream recipe with you. This week I made a refreshing pineapple sorbet with lime and ginger. So starting off with the simple syrup, I'm actually going to infuse this with lime. So I'm going to zest my lime into the sugar and massage it. Adding the zest to the sugar is going to give me a more pronounced lime flavor than the juice alone. So now that the lime zest is worked into the sugar, I'm going to go ahead and add my water. Then I'll cook that over medium-high heat until it comes to a boil. Once the mixture is boiling, I'm going to turn off the heat and add in my ginger. Now I have about a 3-inch piece of ginger, and I'm just going to break this up into smaller pieces and add it in. Then I'll just place a lid on it and let it steep for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'll combine the pineapple and the lime juice. So I'm just measuring out 3 cups of pineapple juice, and I'm using this brand specifically because it's only pineapple juice, nothing else added. And then I'll squeeze in the 2 limes that I zested earlier. Once the simple syrup is ready, I'm going to strain it into the juice just so I don't get those large pieces or the zest into the final product. Then I'll chill this in the fridge until it's fully cooled before adding it to my ice cream machine. Now that the mixture has cooled, I'll go ahead and add it to my ice cream machine, and I believe I let this spin for about 40 minutes before I got this texture. Then I just transferred that into a freezer safe container and allowed to freeze for at least 4 hours before serving. And this is how it looked a few hours later. Now I did scoop mine a little bit early, but it held up pretty well. So if you're looking for a refreshing treat for the summer that's not dairy based, I would recommend giving this recipe a try. As always, thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Ice Cream Sundays. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.